If you're a man and you're looking to boost your sexual stamina and endurance in bed, today we're going to be talking about Kegel exercises for men and how this can help you so much in your performance and endurance. And don't forget to stay to the end because I'll be sharing an additional tip that will help synergize with these exercises to ensure you reach your goals and you are blown away by your improved performance. What's going on? My name's Andy J, and I am here to support millennial men to feel our best as we age beyond our 30s and 40s and beyond. Welcome to the Brotherhood. Today we're going to be talking about Kegel exercises and ways to boost sexual performance and endurance in bed. Because as we age, there are certain muscles in our pelvic floor that begin to weaken, and we don't really strengthen them directly. And when we're younger, it usually isn't as much of a problem, but as we get older, all the muscles in our body begin to atrophy or become weaker. So we have to then begin to pay special attention to these muscles and help strengthen them just like the rest of the muscles when we go to the gym. But before getting into that, if you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video because your support means so much and helps the YouTube gods find this video and spread it around to other men who need support. Beyond that, please leave a comment and share what exercises or things you've done to improve your sexual stamina, because this is like an important topic that most men are too shy to talk about. So it is so important for us to be able to open up this dialogue and create a conversation around this so we can help more men. So you may be asking, what are Kegel exercises? And basically it's strengthening the muscles around the pelvic floor that connect to our prostate gland, our bladder, and even controlling the bowel muscles to help strengthen all of those so they work more effectively. This in turn will have a positive effect on your own sexual endurance because you'll be able to control things because things will be a little bit more strong down there. So by strengthening these muscles, you'll be in turn controlling or improving our body's ability to not have premature ejaculation take place as easily. There's a direct connection here. And so improving this strength is so important. And again, as we age, these muscles begin to get weaker and weaker. We need to pay special attention on them. Also, with controlling our bladder and controlling our bowel, these are also things that as men, I don't think we want to shit our pants or piss ourselves as easy when we get older and older. So focusing on these muscles will have so many positive benefits. So how do we strengthen our pelvic floor muscles? The first thing you can do is simply try to, when you're urinating, to stop the flow of urine. So when you begin to urinate, try to stop it for about 5 to 10 seconds. See if you can do that. If it seems impossible, that's a great indication that your pelvic floor muscles are quite weak. Or if it's quite painful, that's a good indication that your pelvic floor muscles are quite weak. So you can use that as a baseline to see how that improves over time. What you want to do is you want to continually practice this. So when you want to urinate, stop the flow, pause for 5 to 10 seconds, continue, stop the flow, and continue doing this over and over again. And this will over time build those pelvic floor muscles. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure you're not tightening your abs or your thighs or your buttocks. You want to make sure that those are all relaxed and you're strictly controlling from your prostate gland and your bladder to help strengthen those pelvic floor muscles. You should aim to do this 3 times per day. You can spread out throughout the day is probably even better. And focusing on, these 3 sets per day seems to be a good amount. And again, remember, it's 5 to 10 seconds, 3 sets per day. Some additional tips is, remember, start slow. If you find that you can't basically stop the flow of the urine, it's okay. Just try to continually practice that. And you will notice in a very short period of time, these muscles can build up quite quickly and you'll start to see results. And then you can start to do multiple sets where you're able to do this without any discomfort. What also helps is slow breathing, keep the body calm. This is also a really great technique to improve your results and allow this process to be a little bit easier in training. Now, what you want to avoid is not overtraining because that can also be a problem and can cause health issues and complications. So you want to make sure that you're not overdoing it. Again, remember 3 sets per day. If that seems to be a lot at the beginning, try just doing 1 set per day and then working up to the 3 sets per day. Check into your body, but don't push it. Don't overdo it, because you don't want to overly tire these types of muscles. And again, some added benefits, not only improving your sexual endurance and stamina, but it also will help with bladder control and even support prostate health, which is a huge concern for men. So doing this, you will see a positive correlation in those types of things as well. The last thing is just tracking your results is really important, like I was mentioning earlier. So if you find that you can actually do this at first and you're seeing a slow progression, make notes of that, maybe in your phone or on a notepad, so you can actually track this over time and you'll notice it. And take note of that, because that can also be quite motivating for yourself in this process, so you stay on top of this and you can achieve these goals. Now, as a reward for staying to the end, some other habits or techniques you can use to improve your sexual endurance as well. Some things are breathing exercises. So either during intercourse or when you're private time with yourself, you're basically slowing your breathing and being conscious of your breathing. That can help a lot with improving endurance. Often the reason why men will prematurely ejaculate is they're breathing too fast and too much in their chest, and so kind of dropping the breath down into the stomach and slowing it down will calm your body down and it will allow you to increase your endurance. The other thing you can do with either with your partner or by yourself is this concept called edging, where you get close to doing it and then you either stop completely or you slow down the progress. This will also strengthen the muscles and allow you to, in a way, train yourself to basically not finish as quickly. And this will also help significantly improving your endurance. I made another video on this topic, and so I'll try to put it towards the end of this video that can help you get into more detail about those strategies. So I hope you found this useful. Like I said before, this is a topic that men don't like to talk about, but it's so important for us to feel more and more masculine by being able to be champions in the bedroom. So this is an important topic. And so strengthening this, and also as we get older, this becomes a sort of an embarrassment for men, and it doesn't have to be. We can actually become even stronger and better than we did when we were younger, when we can practice these strategies. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment of anything that comes to mind or any other strategies or techniques that have been really effective for you. And other than that, I'll post some other videos here that are related to this topic to support you in your journey. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will talk to you soon.